The very first snowstorm in Western KELOLAND isn't stopping people from hitting the roads.
KELOLAND's Sydney Thorson tagged along with a Pennington County deputy to see how drivers are faring on some of the first icy roads of the season.
Arnie Miller and his family are headed home from Deadwood. The group says they've already experienced their fair share of scary driving conditions.
We were in a cabin and we probably had about 10 inches of snow there, and it was pretty treacherous coming out.
Miller says he's driving with caution and slowing down, avoiding any dangerous situations.
We've got the four-wheel drive and we're loaded down in the back, so we got quite a bit of weight. So we're doing okay on the roads.
Fall weather didn't stick around long here in Western KELOLAND, so that's why driving safety is a must.
So our message, of course, is slow down, give yourself extra time, wear your seatbelt, don't be in a rush to get places, know that the roads are bad.
Captain Tony Harrison says he's seen a few people in the ditches, but so far, no crashes with injuries.
As the winter rolls on, we're going to probably have worse storms than this, so just don't forget, if we have a break of a couple, 3 weeks of nice weather, don't forget that in 2 or 3 or 4 weeks it may snow again and we can't start all over. So this is your, this is your first time, so this is your reminder, be careful.
I think we're in store for a heck of a winter. This is a little early for my taste, even for Rapid City.
In Rapid City, Sydney Thorson, KELOLAND News.
This snowstorm isn't finished yet. To stay updated on the changing weather conditions, you can check out the KELOLAND Storm Tracker app on your smart devices.